Hello Myrmidons, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna get right to it. I'm gonna be talking about getting affordable birth control. I talked about this in another video, which I will link here. That just went over like a bunch of different ways that you can get birth control. But today I'm gonna be going into more detail about one of those ways, which is Maven Clinic. Maven Clinic is an actual like online clinic. They have different doctors and nurses, even therapists and nutritionists that you can book appointments with and talk to, and actually you can do it really affordably. I've used them twice now. One time I just wanted to talk to a nurse, and then this last time I made an appointment with the doctor to get prescribed birth control. So as you may know, I do not have health insurance. Without health insurance, going to the doctor can get really expensive. I was looking into going to a gynecologist to get a pap smear and to be prescribed birth control, and it was like $300. So I feel like I'm healthy, and I also did have a pap smear last year, and I found out that you only, like if you're under 30, I think they said you only need to have a pap smear every like 2 or 3 years. So I wasn't too concerned since my last pap smear was just last year and it came back normal. I just wanted to get a prescription for birth control because I was using Project Ruby, where they send you birth control, like they send you 3 at a time. And that was good. I really did like Project Ruby, but the birth control I was using before I switched to them, I liked a little bit better. So they didn't offer that on their website. So I just wanted to get a prescription for the birth control that I actually liked. With Maven, you actually make an appointment with a doctor, and I do believe that the doctor is in your state so that they practice medicine in that state and they can prescribe you medicine in that state. So I set up an appointment. It was really easy. There were about 3 doctors to choose from in Georgia. And so I just sent one of them a message, and I think sometimes you can book with them right away, but the one that I wanted, I couldn't. So I sent her a message to see when she was available, and she responded within a couple of hours, and we set something up. Maven has an iOS app. They haven't made it to Android yet, or you can do your appointments on like your webcam on your computer, but I decided to do it on my iPhone. And beforehand they like send you an email or like send you a pop-up or something that says your appointment's coming up soon, and then once it's time you just log into the app, and I think it automatically sets up the call for you. Now these doctor's appointments are super affordable, and so the doctor's appointments start at $35 for 10 minutes. Or you can book with a nurse or midwife, and that's $18 for 10 minutes. Or you can also book with a nutritionist, lactation consultant, or physical therapist for $25 for 10 minutes. And they even have like mental health specialists, and that is $70 for 40 minutes. So super affordable. So like I said, I booked with a doctor for $35, 10 minutes. And honestly, that was more than enough time.
Well, we'll definitely put you back on the transfer tag. Do you have any medical problems?
No.
Have you had your blood pressure checked recently to make sure that that's okay?
Yeah, I checked at Walmart a couple of weeks ago, and it was normal.
Perfect. And you don't have any migraine headaches, nothing like that?
No. We talked about like my health history, kind of. We just went over all the things that you would with the doctor, but it was just on your phone. And it was really quick and easy, and she was able to send my prescription to my grocery store. So it was awesome. Unlike some of the other apps and websites that I talked about in my other video, Maven is not specific to birth control. If you ever get sick, you can get on Maven and talk to a doctor, tell them what your symptoms are, and they can tell you what you should do. They can prescribe you something, and it's just so much easier than booking going into a clinic, even like to an emergency clinic, or trying to book an appointment with your doctor. Even if you do have insurance, this is another option to get care immediately, because seriously, you can make an appointment within like 15 minutes. So it's just super convenient and really affordable too. I'm an ambassador for Maven, and I absolutely love what they're doing, especially now in a period where health insurance is kind of shaky. We don't really know what's going to go on with it. A lot of people could potentially end up losing their health care. And so having an affordable option like Maven is really comforting. If you're interested in trying Maven, I have a code that will give you $25 to go towards a nurse's appointment, which would actually be free since those are $18, or you can put it towards a doctor's appointment or anything that you want. And that code is Ariel VIP, or I put a link down in the description to make it super easy for you. Once again, I love Maven. They're really out there helping the community, especially people like me who are kind of healthy but kind of want to have an option there in case you do get sick. So it's a really great option for that. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions about Maven or any other affordable healthcare options. I'll try to help you out with that. So thanks so much for watching. Ciao.